guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a real treat for you. I have the April 2023 Potomac's Best Bead Box Treasure subscription. It's formerly the regular box. This box is used, the techniques for it are stringing, weaving, and freeform. There's 10 to 20 different packs of stash beads. Stash beads may include a new collection each month, same product in multiple colorways. There's 2 to 3 inspirational videos provided for each box. The premium stash beads are crystals, Czech glass, pearls, seed beads, premium metals, etc. etc. It's beginner friendly. The price monthly is $39.99. Price quarterly, if you want to do it for a quarter, you save $60 a year. It's $34.99. And priced annually, if you want to do it for 1 year, it's $29.99. So you save $120 if you do it annually. So let's get started with this box. So it starts with basic beading techniques, and it shows, I'll just kind of hold it up. You can see all the different things that they have on here. And this looks like it belongs inside last month's box, which had a little binder in it, so you can put stuff in it. So that was really cool. This shows how to crimp, basic string using a bead stopper, how to use a wire guard with thread. So it gives all kinds of little things there. So let's start with the box. These are all the things in it. It says Blooming into Spring Treasure Subscription. Enjoy the smells and sounds of spring as buds bloom and nature awakens. Create your unique spring masterpiece with this month's treasure collection of vibrant greens and pops of bold color. Is your creative brain still in hibernation? Simply cut some stretch string and make a multitude of stretch bracelets. Additionally, ensure you are getting the perfect fit. Size up your work with the included retractable tape measure. That's cool. So this is everything in it. Oh, look at these goodies. Oh, look at these. Gorgeous. Oh, look at this. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, look at these. Look at those. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, look at, I love when they send these mixes. These are fun. Czech glass shape mix. Spring colors. Oh, look at these. Very pretty. Some little Milky Delica beads. Opaque, some beads. So let me set this up and we'll get started. Okay, so the number one are the Potomac Beads Bead Cap Filigree 4mm Premium 99.9% silver plated. A pack of 100. Wow, these are pretty tiny. There's 100 in here. Very pretty beads, or bead caps. Nice and shiny. These make great spacers. Next are the Button Shanks 12mm Premium 99.9% silver plated. So this is the one side, and then that's the other side. Very pretty. They're nice and plain, so they'll go with a lot of things. You can, you know, pretty much fit them to any motif that you are making with your bead box. And next are these beautiful Czech glass tile beads, turquoise travertine, 16mm. Look at how pretty these are. They're very heavy too. They've got, you know, some nice weight to them. They're so pretty. All the texture on them. I love the swirl, the striations in them. I'm loving this box. And next is the Czech faceted rounds 4mm in Peridot. Peridot. Look at the beautiful sparklies in here. Very pretty. Let's see it up close. This right here would be a beautiful bracelet. Add a few little goodies to it. And then next, I'm not going to take these out of the bag, but these are oh my gosh, I can't talk today. Miyuki Delicate Beads Opaque Pair, size 11 O's. I really cannot talk today, guys. I ate too much cake yesterday on Easter. So yeah, great beads, of course. Delicas are great beads. Miyuki Delicas. We have those. Then these beautiful Potomac's Halo Beads, one whole rose gold. There's 5 of them. So that's the side, and then this, and there's a hole that goes through both of them on both sides, so you can put something in there. So it's kind of like a cover bead. So there's a lot you could do with these. You could put one of these through here, you know, and have it going this way with the wire. They're very pretty. Okay, the next one are these beautiful Czech Drop Matte Color Mix, 10 grams. Look at how pretty these are. And the hole is at the top, so they kind of hang down and dangle. This one, that one's not, they're kind of deformed. Oh, how pretty these are. A couple of these, like, wine-colored ones. I don't know if you can really see them with the... Very pretty. Some grayish ones, some clear ones, but they're all matte. Some dark jet black. Very pretty. Look at this beauty. This is a Czech glass organic disc, 24 millimeters. Look at this. And here's the hole up at the top. Look at how pretty that is. It's like the striations in it. So pretty, kind of like caramel color and cream. Very pretty. It's like a metallic greenish gray underneath. It's very pretty. And next are Czech faceted round 6 millimeter in dark topaz. Look how pretty these are. The colors in there. Look at how pretty. Kind of like a little bit of like a honey coffee tan color with like a rich mocha in there. So pretty. These kind of beads, when you add them to something, it's like they give a lot more texture to the piece that you're making because there's so many different colors in it. Very pretty. And look at these beauties. Czech glass table cut diamond chartreuse. Look at these. It's almost like a Picasso finish on the sides, and then they're so nice and smooth. It's really pretty. Very pretty. Love these. Love this month's box. There's so much. There's so much jewelry you can make from this. Very pretty. Look at these beauties. You can see when I move my hand around. Potomac crystal bicones in dark sapphire, 3 millimeters. Look at these. Absolutely gorgeous. And they're so well made. These can be used as spacers in a piece of jewelry you're making, or you can bead weave with them. I mean, there's so much you can do with them. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that sparkle. And then we've got these gorgeous beads. Potomac crystal bicones in crystal, 4 millimeter. Look at these. These are, I love because they're sparkly, but yet they're neutral. I mean, you can do anything with them. You can make a fancy piece of jewelry. You can make a boho, very laid back piece. Very pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at all that sparkle in there. And next we've got the Potomac pearls in bright white, 4 millimeter, an 8-inch strand. How pretty these are. This would be a really pretty, you could just take these and make a pretty bracelet for like a bride for a wedding. You know, it's wedding season coming up. Just put a little clasp on there. These would be beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. And these are pewter end cones, etched long cones in silver, 28 by 10 millimeters. So that's the inside of it. Look at how pretty those are. I'm catching it up in the light. It'd be really pretty. You could use these for a focal piece for a necklace and have the strings dangling out there. I've done that with a couple pieces before, and then make something you could really get, or you can use these to make put like a big bead right here and make this like for like a boho choker or something. There's a lot you can do with these. And next is this adorable Czech glass shape mix. Czech glass shape mix spring color mix. Look at, there's a little, I hope it don't fall. Look at the little ladybug. Oh, how cute is this? I love these. Look at, you get some little flowers. You get another little, looks like rose. Oh, there's two ladybugs. Okay. Look at how pretty, cute little dagger beads, some matte, some sparkly. And this is so pretty. You could definitely make some very spring-inspired stuff here. Look at those little ones with the hole in the middle. There's a little Czech glass leaf. There's flower one. There's some little dangles. Oh, these are so pretty. Some little yellow flower beads. Some pinch. Look at that. Nice, very soft pastel yellow pinch bead. Very pretty. Fire polish in there. Little flat round disc beads. Gorgeous. And next is the Potomac stretch string. There's a nice little roll of it. Use this to make some bracelets. Turn this way. It's premium quality, latex free, and it's no fray. Very pretty. And then last but not least, we have a Potomac beads tape measure. So how awesome is this? So you got this, and then a little button. So you can pull it all the way out and it goes right back in. So it's nice because you can carry this, like if keep this right on your desk here, and then when you're measuring stuff, you just do that. So I'm really happy with this month's box. I've been really happy with the Potomac beads box. Gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. So I can't wait to make some beauties from all of this stuff. So you stay tuned, and I have a link below to their website, so you can check out all of their stuff. They have a couple different boxes for the month, and they have all kinds of stuff you can order off of their website and everything. So use the link below. And I also have all my social media below, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video, because I have a lot of good stuff coming up this year. So you stay tuned, and I will see you on my next video. Thanks for watching.